Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. I'm going to show you some outfits put together using the colors you may have already, black, white, and gold. And keep watching.
Starting with a very easy outfit with a gold t-shirt top and black pants and a pair of black low-heel shoes, as well as brown and black shoulder bag. Very easy to wear, very comfortable. 以非常简单的服装开始，金黄色的 T 恤上衣，黑色的长裤，短跟的鞋子，棕色和黑色的皮包，既简单又舒服。We're going to add a blue jean jacket and a beautiful short scarf to go with the outfit. 加上一个牛仔裤的夹克跟棕色的围巾搭配起来。Very easy to wear and comfortable. 既简单又舒适的穿饰。This outfit is with the white jean jacket and the beautiful matching color hand purse. 搭配白色的牛仔裤的上衣跟金黄色的小皮包。This time we're going to wear a long multicolor scarf with some gold in it to match the outfit. 现在选择一个长的围巾，综合颜色有金黄色来配合现在的衣服。You can wear your long scarf different way, double up, then loop it through, and that's the second way you can wear your long scarf. 把长的围巾对折以后，然后穿过去就变成短的围巾的穿法。Dressing up the same outfit with the heel brown boots and another multicolor silk scarf, just a little bit shorter. 变为比较稍微正式一个穿法，穿一个高跟的皮鞋，还有一个短的围巾来搭配。Second outfit is black on black. I'm wearing a long black sweater with some glitters on it, and a short necklace is gold plated To complement, I'm using black and white purse and selected a light jacket with stripe on it. 第二套衣服是以黑色来搭配黑色长的毛线衣，上面有黑的珠珠闪闪的，然后项链是镀黄金的项链，来搭配一个黑白的小皮包，还有长条子纹的一个小外套。This time we want to dress it up a little bit, so I'm wearing heeled brown boots and selected one long golden scarf to dress it up. 想要穿稍微正式一点，所以选择一个高跟浅褐色的马靴，然后一个金黄色的围巾来搭配。Third outfit, white blouse with black pants, selecting the scarf to match my handbag. 第三套是白色的上衣跟黑色的长裤，选择了一个跟皮包相近颜色的围巾来搭配。The fourth outfit is a gold and black. The sleeveless gold top and selecting a black with beaded purse and the see-through blouse serve as a jacket. 第四套穿法是金黄色和黑色为主，搭配了一个有珠珠的黑色的小皮包，还有一个金黄色透明的上衣，穿起来像一个小外套。A little bit dressed outfit with the gold top, black sweater, black and silver scarf, white and black little purse, and gold necklace. 这个比较正式的服装，眼镜黄色的上衣，黑白的外套，还有小的黑白的皮包，长的黑跟银色的围巾，还有金黄色的项链。This one is a floral black top with the bell sleeves. And I pick up one is a gold and moss see-through scarf. 选了一个黑色的上衣，有花朵的样式，袖子是喇叭形，然后我搭配了一个金黄色跟青苔色的透明的围巾。Select gold purse to match the gold scarf. 选择金黄色的小皮包搭配金黄色的围巾。Gold and black colors together, very elegant, stylish, graceful, simple, and neat outfit. 金色和黄色在一起，非常优雅、时尚、优美，简单又整齐的时装。